we have a collection of problems coming up here in which we're given an exponential form and we want to convert it to a logarithmic form. And I think we can do all of these if we just keep this in mind, right? That logarithms are exponents. So in this first one, we've got 2 to the 4th is 16. Now logarithms are exponents. What's the exponent here? It's 4. So I'm going to write this as 4 is the exponent, but I'm going to spell exponent, L-O-G. The base here is 2, so I'll drop that down, and the only other number is 16. So what it says is that 2 to the 4th is 16, so 4 is the exponent that you would put on that base of 16. And the base, that appears kind of like down in a little base here. And then number 3, 125 is 5 cubed. This is a true statement. What's the exponent here? The exponent is 3. So I'm going to write it. 3 is the exponent, but I'll spell exponent with L-O-G. And the base, drop that down, 5 of 125. So what this says on the right side, it says this is an exponent, right? If you just block off that 3 for a minute. In fact, I'll do this. Let's just get it out of the way. I'll bring it back in just a sec. So what does this say? You're looking at this. It's a logarithm, but logarithms are exponents. So think to yourself, what exponent would you put on 5 to get back to 125? Well, you'd put on a 3. And in number 5, we've got 0.01, or 100th, is 10 to the negative 2. So this is the exponential form. Convert it to log form. So what's the exponent here? Negative 2. So I'm going to write negative 2 is the exponent, but I spell exponent L-O-G. The base is 10. And I think I'll use parentheses. Too many zeros and dots. 0.01. And on to number 7. Exponential form. 2 to the negative 5 is 1 over 32. Well, first of all, do you believe that? What is this? Isn't it just 1 over 2 to the 5th, which is 1 over 32? All right. So we do believe this, right? It is a true statement. But let's convert it from this exponential form to logarithmic form. So what do we have? The exponent is negative 5. So logarithms are exponents. So the exponent, negative 5, I'll write the negative 5. That is the exponent, but I'll write L-O-G. The base here is 2 of, and then 1/32. Parentheses or not, I'll just write them. Number 9, we've got 1/2 to the negative 3 is 8. Now it's a true statement. Prove it in just a minute. But let's just convert it. Exponential form to logarithmic form. So logarithms are exponents. The exponent here is negative 3, so I'll write that. Negative 3 is the exponent. I'll spell it L-O-G. The base is 1/2. I'll put that in carefully. 1/2 of 8. So we've made the conversion. Let's just be sure we believe this. Do you remember we had something not too long ago where if we had a fraction to a negative exponent, we could write this. You do what? You invert the fraction and change the sign of the exponent. So that's just 2 cubed, which sure enough is 8. And we'll finish this group off with this one here. 27 is 3 cubed. So this is the exponential form, convert to log form. Logarithms are exponents. The exponent here is that 3 up there. So it's going to be 3 is the exponent, log. Now the base here is that 3. So that 3 of 27.